It's a great day at Equity, and today we're going to talk about how to reduce clutter in your business. Too much clutter can have negative effects on our mental health and productivity. Whether it's being able to find things when we need them, or sitting down and seeing too many items scattered on every surface, causing unnecessary stress. We'll talk about ways to clean things up and reduce stress. An effective way to start is simply to organize your day. Time blocking and setting aside specific times for your tasks can help you stay on track. This can also include delegating tasks to other people if possible. It's about removing that clutter from your view. Most realtors spend a lot of time on their email, communicating with clients, lenders, and companies, just to name a few. All those emails in one inbox can get overwhelming, and something important can easily get lost or ignored. Create folders in your inbox so those messages get sorted as they come in. That way, you can go right to the email you need every time. While you're focusing on your email, unsubscribe to junk emails or those old articles you signed up for but you no longer read. Another good step is to think about your workspace. How does your desk look? Do you leave papers and coffee cups behind constantly? A decluttered space to do business will help put you in the right mindset for your workday. Let's talk about how you handle all those documents as you go about your workday. Do you find you have too many folders around, but you need all that information still? You can go paperless and back up your files online or on your computer. There are many programs and services that allow you to do this, such as Dropbox and Google Drive. Many include the ability to digitally sign documents so you can have clients take care of paperwork online quickly and easily and have copies for your records. If you still like working with pen and paper, there's no reason to not update there as well. A nice Padfolio notebook with pockets for business cards and pens can help you stay organized and reduce the number of items you have to carry around all the time. This leads us to your secondary workspace, your car. A realtor spends a lot of time on the road, going to showings, listings, title agencies. You carry documents, gather pens, keys, business cards, and anything else you pick up during the day. When was the last time you cleaned all of that out of your car? Decluttering that space is just as important to help you stay focused and reduce your stress. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video was helpful and if you'd like to see videos on similar topics.